Uzbekistan has claimed that at least 18 children in the country have died after allegedly taking an India-manufactured cough syrup. The Health Ministry of Uzbekistan, in a statement, said that the children who died had consumed cough syrup Doc-1 Max, manufactured by Noida-based Marion Biotech. India has launched a probe into the matter, and the manufacturing of the cough syrup has been halted until the samples are tested. The syrup was used by the parents as an anti-cold remedy without prescription. A joint inquiry is being conducted by the teams of Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, North Zone, and Uttar Pradesh Drugs Controlling and Licensing Authority.